big raiding trio of the defense as the coach. The Mahasangh will also want to know that the finale here, and he is up against a strong right flank. There, Aditya Shinde in that right in, and in the corners you always need to know that Sanket Kalate will be coming in. Covers! Make the first tackle in. The captain of Ahmednagar said the covers have been settled, and they have settled, Arshit.
Saurav made.
Especially against such a massive side. And when Prateek Jadhav is not. Oh, that's a diving angle hole that's coming from the right end. Wow, Shivam Patare, 68 points. First raid of the finale. He's been tackled out, and who gets revived? Prateek Jadhav comes in.
क्या अभिषेक पवार के विरुद्ध उन्हें टीज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो एक ऐसे डिफेंडर हैं जो लगातार बैक होल्ड का प्रयास करते हैं। संकेत कलाटे इस गेम पे वाकई से बात करें तो 78% है, 25 पॉइंट्स उन्होंने 32 रेड में अर्जित किए, 21 टच पॉइंट है, 4 बोनस है, ये इनकी खासियत।
Of the tackled out players, there he is, and Aditya Shinde, he knows Prem Mandal will come in for the follow through, turns around, kicks, and once again, right. A defender steps out of the end line, and also he might have got a touch on that left corner.
2 points.
Yes, 2 points. One
number 11.
right he's got himself into. And only 2.8 do or die rate. Points! Oh, that's a lucky one. That's a very big.
इस स्टैट्स की बात करते हैं नवीन।
Yeah, 2024 has been good for Ahmednagar and even better for Palghar, but here the trademark of Palghar, they start very slow. Hand touch on the right cover. Right, he's claiming it. Somnath Bedke does not agree to it. He's attacking that right corner once again. Aditya Shinde, he knows it. Oh, just watch out. Don't go out of the end line. Has he? No. Manages himself nicely. And the dash does not come in at time.
2 points.
Another couple of points.
Number 4
And they
20.
do really like his hairstyle and also the raid points like Mega.
पर प्रतीक जाधव लोन वॉरियर है अभी तक रेड में।
Always. And he's just gone in. And he knows what is the big error that he
1
committed.
point. Ahmednagar.
He just went in inside a swirling cyclone. And he was thrown out.
चूक होती हुई यहाँ पर नवीन। प्रतीक जाधव ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा था कि बच जाएंगे, बट अभिषेक पवार को उन्होंने अपनी बैक दिखा दी थी, यहाँ बच गए थे। ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो निकल सकते हैं, बट शिवम पटारे ने कहा कि मैं थर्ड लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस से आऊंगा। फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस से बचे, सेकंड लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस से बचे, पर वो ज्यादा समय प्रतीक जाधव को लग गया था क्रॉल करते हुए। तो शिवम पटारे आए, पॉइंट अर्जित किया। पालघर ऑल आउट लग चुका है। अहमदनगर 12 पर नजर आएंगे, पालघर 4 पर नजर आएगा।
Yeah, good that the defender out there, the last player standing, did not allow Shivam Patare to waste a lot of.
तो शिवम पटारे आए, पॉइंट अर्जित किया। पालघर ऑल आउट लग चुका है। अहमदनगर 12 पर नजर आएंगे, पालघर 4 पर नजर आएगा।
Yeah, good that the defender out there, the last player standing, did not allow Shivam Patare to waste a lot of time. He went in from the qualifiers of the semi-finals. The semi-finals, especially that Ratnagiri match, is an unforgettable one. Prateek Jadhav wants to go through, but no. Attempted a toe touch a couple of times on that left corner, but then the right cover just naps him down.
सोमनाथ बेदकी और प्रतीक जाधव।
See who will lift up that trophy and the 20 lakh rupees, the prize money. Ankle hold, again an error.
70 में भी एंजॉय कर पाए, but look at the numbers of आदित्य शिंदे। पिछली रेड में अच्छा किया है, but इस डू और डाई रेड में पीयूष पाटिल ने अच्छा किया है। कितने पॉइंट्स मिले?
In the Mahasangram, Aditya Shinde, right man to go in. Kicks, fabulous, does it in a style. Swag written all over the. Here's KMPYKS, and for the very first time, no bonus. For the very first time, Ahmednagar have been reduced to less than 6 defenders. Toe touch! Prateek Jadhav now is slowly picking all.
एम्प्टी रेड कर वापस आए, नहीं पता।
And in the defense and converting only one.
शुरू करते हैं, एनकाउंटर ही रहा है अभी तक। पर शिवम पटारे दूसरे हाफ की शुरुआत। अभिनय सिंह जीत पाटिल को अब ज्यादा अटैक करना पड़ेगा। जैसे ही शिवम पटारे आदित्य शिंदे आपके पास आए, आपको अटैक करना होगा, अन्यथा शिवम।
Dhoni went against an off spinner because as a left-hander, as a left-hand batter, it's very tough to play an off spinner, and especially for Prateek Jadhav on the bench. Shivam Patare, simple toe touch on that right corner, and you just can't be sitting out there. Abhinay absence 8%. That's very weak. That's very weak. Super tackle. It's Aditya Shinde. He wants to go back and check it once again. Palghar's is trademark. Is there super tackle successes? No.
शिवम पटारे ने सब्स्टिट्यूशन का मौका नहीं दिया यहाँ पर।
and both wanted to come in. Aditya Shinde and Shivam in this situation because it's a healthy competition between three raiders. And Prem Meher now last man standing, and yeah, that's the problem where Pratik Jadhav is being tackled out in a do-or-die raid.
Bonus point.
Bonus
Palghar,
point
Raider
and
out,
Raider
1
out.
plus 2,
Now
3
tell
points.
me, did he
Ahmednagar,
use that
all
lobby,
out, Palghar.
old, bad, and
को मिलाकर वहां पर हम देखें तो वैसे कोई पॉइंट्स नहीं अर्जित कर पाए। ये लीजिए दूसरी बार तो ये कर ली है रिसेशन, बहुत ही अच्छा खेल रहे हैं, बट यहाँ प्रतीक जाधव के सेंसेशन को यही रोक दिया गया है। संकेत खलाटे पहली बार फाइनल या फिर 50 अंकों से आ रहे, कोई अंकों की बात नहीं करेगा, बात करेगा कि फाइनल अहमदनगर जीता है। और आपने कहा था कि हम पर प्रेशर नहीं है। अभिषेक पवार इज नाउ बैक इन द गेम, इनके बैक होल्ड आ चुके हैं, शानदार अंदाज।
inflicted it. Can you convert it?
बिल्कुल यहाँ प्रफुल्ल जावरे मौजूद है, दूसरा टैकल पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा, दूसरा टैकल पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा। जीत पाटिल जल्दबाजी कर गए, प्रफुल्ल जावरे को पॉइंट्स मिले यहाँ पर, अच्छा जंप लगाया और आदित्य शिंदे प्रेज कर रहे हैं नवीन, डू और डाई
Of Pune. Oh, what's happened here? Abhi nice.
और मैं चाहे कैसा भी मैच हो, हम नहीं मौका देना चाहते हैं पालघर को मैच में आने देने का। बहुत ही बढ़िया चीज, सुपर टैकल ऑन है। ये लीजिए कोच साहब रिलैक्स कीजिए, आदित्य शिंदे और
That now kicks. Back kick. Has he got a couple?
Bonus
Plus 2 points. It's a super raid.
14
Wow. Is this a little turnaround? Vishal want to relive that moment against Ratnagiri. He went in and he's been tackled again. Once Aditya Shinde has once again taken a simple point. I think only rare occasion that he's got one from that left corner. He's running out. Same little footwork. He's jumping around like a cat. He's got his tail on fire. Yeah, go out. The defense does not even touch him. And it's another all out. Right, I was telling you, you mentioned about Onkar Gade. You mentioned about why such players been having
उन्हें पता चल चुका कि यश निंबलकर को जहां इंजरी लगी थी वहां से फाइनल तक का सफर मुश्किल था।
not do well and then they just get selected for the booster round, challenger round, survival rounds. Can we, jokingly of course, we were talking about can they bring in new players, can they make the team stronger, but here they had the opportunity. Block was nice. Is that the second ever tackle point? Palghar, still the umpires are not.
हमेशा अपनी टीम के सपनों को पूरा करती है, अपने दर्शकों को पूरा करती है। अंतिम 7-6 सेकंड शेष बचे हैं, दर्शकों तैयारी कर लीजिए। अहमदनगर दूसरी वर्तब KMPY के इसको ले जा रहा है।
To read here, only 2 tackle points. You can't have a weak defense and